How do you put a dancing avatar in your stories on Facebook, Instagram? How do you get that dancing avatar there? If you want to know how to do it, I'm going to show you in today's tutorial. My name is Stephanie Parisi, and I love helping small business owners grow their influence and profits online using marketing strategies that actually work. And I'm also the leader of the Parisi Pack. Let's dive right into this tutorial.
Okay, so to find the dancing avatar, this is in Instagram. So we're going to open up Instagram. I'm going to click the plus sign at the top, and we're going to create a story. I am clicking to add a photo to it. Okay, so this is yesterday. I'm going to celebrate a client win. I'm just going to use a day in the life picture. That's kind of fun. It makes it personal. I went on a walk. So now at the top, I'm going to set up the story. So I want to overlay and add in the client testimonial. I'm going to click the sticker button to add in another picture. And I am going to grab this one. Jody is in my marketing membership, and she just had some people join her in business after I gave her some instructions on something to do. So this is a great one to add my avatar to because that's dancing, because it's like celebrating her. So now I'm going to click the sticker button again. I'm going to get back to the home page of the stickers. So if you go to avatar, nothing pops up. There's no one dancing. Okay, so we aren't doing the avatar here, even though it's a dancing avatar. You're going to click the music button. And this is where you're going to find the person. So say we're happy. So here is the dancing avatar. Okay, you can edit it if you want it to show the song. Okay, now I could share this right away and just click share, or I could do something to engage on it. Say I want to put a poll button in, or I want to do something else interactive. The other thing that I could do is tag Jody in this story. So that is how you're going to add in the avatar. If you want to use this and repurpose it, you could click the three dots at the top to save it. You could make this into a reel. You could make it into a post. You name it, whatever you want. Okay, so lots of options there. To see some of my other story tutorials on how I'm selling in my stories every single day, check out some of these videos that are popping up on the screen right now. And let me know what you're going to use your dancing avatar for in your stories.
Want to know more tricks on how to create stories that sell? Head on over to stephanieparisi.com. You can join my private Facebook group called Create Stories That Sell and find out more information about how to market online your product and sell more, grow your profits, grow your influence. Before you leave the channel, check out either of these two videos that are popping up on the screen. They're here to help you win in your business. And I'll be back next week with another new video.